Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel of Logging It. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and save a TikTok video. Now then, open TikTok application on your mobile device. Now once you are inside the TikTok homepage and you can see the videos over here. Now you want to save this video or you want to download this video. For that you need to tap and hold it for a while. Then the options pop out over here. Here you can see on the top save video. You tap on it and this video will be saved to your gallery. You can directly share this over other apps as well. Now to check whether your video have been saved or not, you go to your pictures. And there you can see your pictures have been saved to your gallery. And just like that, you can save that pictures on your galleries from TikTok. That means you can download and save the TikTok videos. But there are certain videos that you cannot save as well. Once you press for a while, you can see on top save video. If the video cannot be saved, you won't be seeing any save option over here. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how you can download and save a TikTok videos on your gallery. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel and do click on the bell icon for a notification and updates on videos. Thank you.